the Supreme Court pulling up the Punjab and Haryana governments on farm fires. Neighbours choking Delhi, the top court fuming, talking tough right ahead of Diwali and the winter season. Supreme Court asking Punjab, Haryana government to give an affidavit. The court says high quality, in fact, at this point, while the panel has been set up, many of them have skipped the meeting. The air quality watchdog lacks on the orders that they themselves have issued. Haryana, Punjab not complying with the orders. No effort made by the committee there to implement any measures so we could prevent pollution levels in the upcoming months. Supreme Court there speaking about the air quality right ahead of winter and pulling up the Punjab and Haryana government for farm fires, saying nothing has been done after repeated directions. Even if a panel has been set up, even they haven't really acted on it to crack down on the pollution levels. Kanu Sharda, who's tracking developments in court, for more on that. Kanu, please elaborate for us. What is the Supreme Court saying while it observes pollution levels are already on the rise with winter months coming ahead?
Yes, Nabila, the Supreme Court has come down heavily on the pollution, the CAQM authorities as to why they have not, penalized the appropriately and why the steps which were supposed to be taken from the violators of pollution have not been collected so far. Why the revenue is still on the lower side. This hearing comes at a time when the Delhi is going onto a weather change, and Diwali is around the corner. The lot of pollution and lot of stubble burning has already started in the area. Even one of the judges on the bench has also said that he has himself seen that stubble burning is still going on in parts of Rajasthan as well as in Punjab. So many questions have been raised by the Supreme Court over to the act done by the state government also. The top court has now asked all the state governments and as well as the CAQM authorities to file their affidavit and elaborate on the steps they have conducted, what they have done so far, and has also warned the pollution authorities to manage their affairs, or else they will have to issue stern warning, because it was also pointed out by the petitioners in the case that the CAQM, the quorum of the CAQM is not complete. The position of 2 NGO members are still not being filled. So Supreme Court has heavily rapping on to authorities as to why they are not taking appropriate action as they are supposed to do, and has asked for all the status report to be filed on October 16. But for now, the Supreme Court has taken note of the fact that there are a lot of issues which still needs to be done so that the pollution levels in Delhi can be controlled.
Thanks very much, Kanu Sharda, for joining us on that. Stubble burning that's gone up since 2022. The Supreme Court pulling up the committee and Punjab and Haryana governments asking why no preventive measures taken up. It's winter months up ahead. We're looking at the Diwali season also coming close. Stubble burning has been a persistent issue. There's still no measures to act on it. We will continue tracking those developments. Shifting our focus now to Telangana.